I've asked Copilot to give me the recipe for a chicken madras curry. I'm going to scroll down the page and you can see it's given me a bullet point list of ingredients. If I go further down the page, you can see it's given me a numbered list of the method, and it goes on to the next page where you can see we have here steps 6, 7, and 8. I prefer menus to be on one page so I can simply print it out and not have two pages where one of them is virtually full of blank space. Now, there's a number of ways in which I can reduce this document to one page, but I find the quickest way to do this is to come up here to the search, click onto it, and type in shrink. When you do this, you'll notice you get this drop down, and here it gives the best action. And look, and you can see it gives you this option here, shrink one page. It's now a question of clicking onto that and have a look at your document now, and I'll scroll up and you can see it all appears on one page.